Gujarat remained tense on Wednesday after 8 people lost their lives in the violence sparked by a Patel agitation for OBC status and reservation. The army was also called in to assist the police and administration in controlling the situation, with incidents of violence being reported in several parts of Gujarat during a day-long bandh called by Hardik Patel, leader of the Patidar Anamat Andolan Samiti. Thousands of paramilitary and anti-riot personnel were deployed in the state, even as curfew was imposed in 9 police stations of the city. Mobs went out on the streets to close down shops, disrupt railway traffic, and attack police institutions. 21-year-old Hardik Patel, whose detention Tuesday after a mammoth rally in Ahmedabad sparked violence, blamed police and said their agitation for OBC status would be intensified.
जो कल से पूरे गुजरात में अशांति का माहौल बना हुआ है, मैं पूरे गुजरात के परिवारों को विनती करता हूँ कि शांति का माहौल बनाए रखें, घर से बाहर ना निकले। और पूरे गुजरात से अपील भी ये है कि हमें कुछ गलत मार्ग पर ले जा रहा है पॉलिटिकल इश्यू की वजह से। हम सब भाई है, चाहे वो किसी भी समुदाय से हो, हम साथ बैठकर इस देश की और इस गुजरात के विकास की बात कर सकते हैं। आपस में लड़ाई से सिर्फ आपका और हम सबका नुकसान होगा। महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि कल 55 दिनों से जो रैलियां चल रही है, कल ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ? इतनी जनसंख्या आई हुई थी। हमने पहले भी कहा कि मुख्यमंत्री श्री से हम यहाँ पर बुलाएंगे अपना विज्ञापन देने के लिए, लेकिन इतनी सारी जनता थी, सबकी अपील थी कि भाई हमें रैली निकालनी है, तो हमने डिवाइड कर दिया 1 या 2 में कि कुछ लोग रैली में जाए, कुछ लोग अनशन में बैठे, ताकि पब्लिक डिवाइड होकर कोई अनिश्चित बनाव ना बने। आईबी का रिपोर्ट था कि कुछ होने वाला है, फिर भी पुलिस ने हमारी धरपकड़ की और उसके बाद गुजरात में ये सब कुछ हुआ। हमने 11:30 बजे हमारी प्रतिक्रिया दी थी कि भाई गुजरात में शांति बनाए रखे। सब आंदोलनकारी घर चले गए थे, फिर भी पुलिस ने घर में घुसकर बच्चों को मारा, उनकी गाड़ियों के कांच तोड़ दिए, जला दिए गई। उसके बाद उन लोगों ने प्रतिक्रिया दी बच्चों ने, और उसमें कई बच्चे शहीद भी हुए, और उन शहीदी को हम नमन करते हैं और भगवान से प्रार्थना है कि उनकी शहीदी को पूरी तरह से मोक्ष मिले।
Shops, schools and business establishments remained closed in the state, but sporadic incidents of violence continued in Surat, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Morbi, Junagadh, Jamnagar and Bhavnagar districts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed for peace and calm in Gujarat through a video message released on Wednesday morning, while Chief Minister Anandiben Patel also tweeted asking people to refrain from spreading rumours. Meanwhile, several controversy theories floated in Delhi over the mainstream political party's silence over the violent turn the Patidar protest took in Gujarat.
Even as Gujarat government is trying to handle the unrest in the state, there are 2 conspiracy theories which are taking rounds in BJP central leadership here. The one is that the RSS itself is trying to promote this unrest so that there can be a debate on the quota system itself. RSS has been maintaining that the quota system should be on the basis of economic criteria instead of the caste-based system. BHP, an affiliate of RSS, has already said it on record that there has to be a review in the quota system itself, and there should be a Supreme Court monitor commission for that. The second theory, which is live in the system, the party system, is that a section of Patel leaders in Gujarat BJP is trying to quote-unquote expose Anandiben Patel's inability to handle the state leadership.
The Congress is steering clear of the Patel agitation in Gujarat as of now, primarily for one reason. Patels have been a traditional vote bank of the BJP, whereas the rest of the OBC population, among which Congress has some sort of influence. If the Congress comes out in support of the Patels, it may antagonize the rest of the OBC population. For now, the Congress is confining itself to attacking the state government, the BJP-led government, for the bad handling of the agitation. It hopes by doing that it may gain some sympathy among the Patels, while it will not antagonize the rest of the OBC population.